Alright, this is I Love You Pooh Bear 97. Now this is a remake video of my Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan with Heritage blades. And you'll notice that I flipped the blades over to the rosewood side. And I put duct tape. I put duct tape on this fan, which is a getaway on how to install blades on your ceiling fan. So do not try this, or it will mess up your fan. But I did this because the brackets are too long for my motor, since the blades can fit on the motor for a 52-inch ceiling fan and stuff. So I'm going to do this starting with high. And you can hear the it's trying to go faster though. And it's blowing great amount of air with and it blows some great air with those blades on it. And when I was getting a video of my Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan with Heritage blades, I didn't say anything in that video. Yeah, and then I was taking a video of my Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan with the Ancon Space Stone, my mushroom globe, and my schoolhouse globe, which is on the fan now. So I'm gonna do medium, and it wobbles on medium. Eeps. Hold on. See? Okay. The the screw part was scraping against the motor housing by accident. So I'm gonna do medium again. So I'm gonna do low now. See, with those blades, that fan goes slower. It's because the blades are longer and all that stuff. So now I'm gonna do reverse. Ooh. Oh. High speed and reverse. And it wobble even more in reverse on high. Eeps. Okay, now that's it. Sorry. See? See? This blade. Hold on. This blade arm was scraping against the motor housing. So I'm not gonna do all 3 speeds in reverse. So like I say, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. More to come. No mean comments about this accident, or else those comments will be removed.